Okay then. 아니, 나는 신나배 dog. 나는 보조. Take two. Take two. Sorry. Sorry. I can do this. I can do this. Alright. Bonjour, Shinabe dog. Ana bonjour, indigenous cause. Nieman Wangam Oma Noon Kum. Hello. My name is Nana Bojo, and I'm happy to be here today. Let's see, what do I want to say today? Okay, we're gonna learn a new word, eh? And you know what that word is? Coffee. That's right. We're gonna learn the Ojibwe word for coffee. So, it's a big word, but it was the first word my grandpa ever taught me. So here it goes. Makare mashkiki wabu. That's right. Makare mashkiki wabu. Hard to say? Not at all. You can sing a song about it, eh? Alright, check this out. Makare mashkiki wabu. Makare mashkiki wabu. Niwi eya. Niwi eya. Makere mashkiki wabu, makere mashkiki wabu, iwi eya. Makere mashkiki wabu, makere mashkiki wabu, iwi eya. Makere mashkiki wabu. That's right. Niwi eya, makere mashkiki wabu. I need coffee. Okay, miigwech. There you have it. Gigawaba, man. I'll see ya. Okay, bye.